Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, I am going to teach you how to recover Gmail account without phone number, password and recovery email. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account by following these steps. Before moving further, like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates. So first of all you have to select Google app. Hold the Google app, then tap on app information. Tap on permissions. Now tap on location. Tap on don't allow. And tap on don't allow anyway again. Now minimize it. Now you have to select Google Chrome browser. Hold the Google Chrome browser. Then tap on app information. Tap on permissions. Now tap on location. Tap on don't allow. And tap on don't allow anyway again. Minimize this one also. Now you have to open Google Play Store. Here search Spin Safe Browser, and you have to download and install Spin Safe Browser. After installation open this browser and then here you have to open google.com and then tap on sign in. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover and then tap on next, and then here Google will ask you to enter your password. So you have already forgotten your password. Now click on try another way. Again click on try another way. Here Google will ask for phone number. So click on try another way. Now again tap on try another way. Here you will see could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind. You don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked permanently. So minimize it and open phone setting. Here scroll down and click on Google. Here on top right corner click on three dots. Here you will find help option. And here you will see search option. Here in the search bar type, lost or stolen phone. And here you will find fix common issues with two-step verification. So tap on it. Here you will find recover your account option, so select it. And here you will see tips to complete account recovery steps. And finally here you will find go to the account recovery page. So tap on it. Here account recovery page opens. Now type the Gmail account that you want to recover. Then type next. Now Google may ask for fingerprint, face or screen lock, so verify it's you. So finally here you will see welcome back screen. Here you have two options, update password and continue. So click on update password. And here select a strong password and then confirm it. And then tap on save password option. So in this way you can recover your Gmail account easily. If you face any problem, you can ask in the comment. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more tech updates.